All right, so we actually made it fairly early compared to yesterday. And so all the breakfast food that was cooked last night, right there. So it looks like our hiking is a go. Breakfast is done, having coffee, and we are going to hit up the Mist Trail. I think there's a couple of trails on the way, but we're going to start off first with the Mist Trail, which is located in Curry Village. So this is where we're at right now. Let's go. We're now approaching the Mist Trail. I wonder how wet I'm going to get. All right, we're trying to get in there. Walk it, let's go. I'm not wearing anything waterproof either. Not even my shoes. My gosh, very slippery. I am wearing hiking shoes, but woohoo! Not yet. Okay. Huh? What do you mean? And just until Vernal. Just until Vernal. Yeah. Woo! The mist is crazy. Oh my god. There goes my socks. And my snot. Sorry. Sorry. Oh man. Steep, steep, steep.
okay?
Yes.
Wow.
I'm freezing. Wait. Oscar. Yes. This is the one that was frozen when we came last.
Yeah, yeah, that's why it's crazy, dude.
Traffic. Oh. So nice. All right, we're taking a mini break, and the rest of our group is actually up there at the Nevada Falls lookout. We opted not to go, like half of the group, because it's very, very slippery up there, very, very wet, and the path is very narrow. So safety first, and of course, the others are afraid of heights. But this is so spectacular. So from the Curry Village parking lot to Vernal Falls, it's about 2.5 hours, and we were taking our time. And so now we are going to head back, maybe by the bridge, to wait for the others. We'll see. All right, so we are heading back towards the parking lot. Half of our group is not here, which are the kids. They're with two other adults up at Nevada Falls. But since there's no reception around here, we're not sure what's happening. So we're just all gonna walk back to the parking lot. Hopefully we'll all meet up there soon. Home now, and my knees and my ankles feels like they want to buckle, but it was all worth it. The views were just so majestic. Even though it's not my first time or my second time visiting Yosemite, it is my first time hiking Vernal Falls. And even though I am not fully fit, it was definitely doable. You just gotta take your time. The trail starts out flat from the parking lot, but once you cross the bridge, you will be crossing a bridge, then it's all uphill from there, like literally. And there are parts where it is pretty steep. You just got to take your time and you will get there. Also, the mist trail, it's not just a section of the trail, it's actually from the time you cross the bridge of the lower Vernal Falls up to the top. You will just get misted by or sprayed by water the entire time. So dress appropriately. I was wearing jeans and a fleece light shell, and I really should have worn waterproof jacket. But I didn't know what activities we were going to have prior to the trip. So I was slightly unprepared, but it is definitely doable with what I had. The hike took a lot longer than we expected, and so we did not have lunch whatsoever. We had breakfast around 8:30 when we arrived in Curry Village, but no food in between, just snacks like chips. So we are going to prepare a feast for our last night here in the Yosemite area. And first up, Kung Pao pasta. Our family road trip is complete in Yosemite. So from my mind side to yours, more to come. Thanks for watching.